spend all the time.
Okay guys, today we're gonna be playing some the Hive. So let's see if I'm good at this game. So we're gonna start off by playing some Bed Wars, because this is the only thing that I play since I stopped playing. So yes, you can see I'm level 6. Why the frick I'm floating? Oh, let's go guys. Okay, one need player. Parkour tayo guys, parkour. Tung sahur tata 360. Oh shit. Oh, I'm supposed to. Can get me boy. Okay, mag-start na guys. Wait lang, walang volume man. There we go. Okay, let's go guys. Nakatanga ko kayo kung paano mag-bridge. Push the generator. Okay, here. Nakatanga ko kayo guys paano mag-bridge. Di makita yung iron bridge ko dahil. Wala yung mabili. Dito yung lemons. What the fuck? Bro, like I'm bad at this game right now. I don't think I see you there, bro. Yo, chill out. Chill out. No! Hindi ako bola sa bed mo, boy. Pa doon. Lit ka. Ano? Oh shit, may sword! May sword! Alright, let's go. Where's the diamond? Ayun. Okay. Kuya. Grabe si kuya ito nakatayo ah. Totoo daw mami. Doing my business. Ganyan mag-bridge. Now. Oh. Bet. You. Upgrade dog. The fuck. Alright, we're gonna go kill someone. Sorry, but you have to go. Oh shit. Don't even try it, dog. I'm freaking better. See you later, alligator. Please don't bubble. Get the diamond on me. Alright, so we can upgrade this. We can upgrade that. Okay. First of all, I'm not gonna use my iron as a... Oh wait, I have a better idea. Right. Let me build the protection. Over here. There you go. And actually, concrete. Planks. Planks good, planks good. bed. Buy many things. Let's go. Oh, I got the wrong placement, dog. Alright. Let me. Ako lang tayo ng wait. Alright. Dog, no! Palo! Congrats. Ancient cone found. Bro. That is dripstone, bro. Alright. So blue team right there. Oh, what the heck? It's like the one that killed me. Technoblade never dies. Nice. My god. Alright. Uy, mabili ka naman. Hirap naman pindutin, boy. See you, alligator. See you later, alligator. Bro, she's looking like mad as fuck. Bro, why are you fucking looking at me like that, dog? Alligator! Alligator! Oh! Ay, mampas! Alligator niya! Nanalo pa! Kaya pala nagbabag out talaga lagi itong ano ko kamo, guys. Attack button ko. Lagi na i-stack. I don't know. Alright, please drop the last diamond. Oh wait, I have a better idea. Let me give one more diamonds. No, let me bridge. Easy peasy. Let's go get some diamonds. And no one is here. Give me that. Oh shit. Are you going? Yeah, I'm out, bro. I'm out, bro. I'm scared, bro. Bro, nope. I ain't going nowhere, bro. I ain't going nowhere. Let me just buy some protection. Okay, let me look out first. Maybe someone attack me, you know. I need something like yo, bro. Yo, bro. Yo, please. Alright, so let me play some you know, I'ma play the bridge. I used to play this with my friends. Start an observer. Nice. Alright, so who's my enemy? Okay, so my enemy is Zanoni 0340. Shift tayo para friendly. So I hope I'm not gonna get destroyed by this one. Okay, let's go. I got this boy. I got this boy. Patang ko kay guys o paano mag-bridge. Bro, are we serious? Bro, I don't care about you, dog. Stop shifting, bro. This is a game, not like this is SMP, I will give more. What the bro? Bruh. Bro, I'm lagging. She should be killing me right now, bro. Dapat nakapatay na ako kasi nagdalag ako eh. Like I'm slow in them. Bro, left the game. GG's, bro, GG's. Whoever that guy, dog. What the frick is happening? Bro. Yo, ano to? Bam 327 YT. Oh, she's YouTubing too. Nice one, Bam 327 YT. Nice. Okay din, nilalaro namin. Nice one, nice one. Ito na rin guys, dapat na-raid na rin. Ito naman, nag-block party boy. Nilaro ko ito guys. Please, gaya nga mag-isip na guys. Nataka ko yung kanto na rin ha. Lock. May ano din na power doon, di ko nakuha, sayang. Walang yan dog. Wait. Bro, pabilis na pabilis dog. Please. Hanggang 25 to guys. Block. Bro, she didn't make it. Block again. Okay, na one fall, nice one. Woo! Let's go. Okay. Wait, woo! Grabe. Block. Oh my god, I almost died, dog. Follow. Bro, where the fuck? Tama na natin ako dito. Yellow. Yung cool yellow. Ano lang? Ako si Hudson. Wait. No, she didn't. Oh! Grabe gumamit nga siya. May power siya guys, may power. Nice one. And siya ba yun? Hindi, ito siya. Third. Ewan ko sino ba nanalo? Ang gulo naman. Okay. I guess. Oh my god, bro. Like, this is bugging me out. Like, why the... Ano to? KFC owner. Bro, who's your owner, dog? I know that. Okay, so guys, hanggang dito muna yung video natin. So, see you guys in the next one video. So, see you guys. It's free to subscribe, so subscribe now. Okay, see you guys in the next one. Peace out.